Всем привет! Hello guys! Today we are speaking about the most common mistake in Russian, and it's about the gender of the noun and an adjective you are using with it. So in Russian there are three genders: feminine, masculine and neuter. And I assure you it's much easier than in other languages, for example in French, when you should memorize the noun together with its gender. To understand the gender of a noun in Russian, you should just look at its ending. For example, if it ends with a or ya, it's feminine. That's it. For example, роза. Роза. It ends with a. It means it's feminine. And we do not care that it's not alive, it's not a girl, it's just a grammatical notion, nothing more. If the word ends with o or ye, окно, окно, it's neuter. And if it ends with a consonant, телефон, телефон, it's masculine. It's easy, huh? So again, a or ya is feminine. O or ye is neuter. A consonant, it's masculine. Let's practice. I'm saying a word in Russian, and you should put it into the right column. Машина. Автобус. Конфета. Компьютер. Море. Мышка. Квартира. Дом. So, even if you do not know some of these words, you can easily say what gender it is. Why is it so important when you add an adjective? Because the ending of the adjective depends on the noun that follows it. Let's say красивый. Красивый is for nouns of masculine gender. Красивый телефон. Красивый компьютер. Красивый стол. However, if you are going to use a noun of a feminine gender, like роза, you should change красивый into красивая. Красивая. So, a in the noun, a in the adjective. Красивая роза. Красивая девушка. Красивая машина. And if you are saying a noun of a neuter gender, the adjective should be красивое. Красивое. For example, красивое фото. О. Красивое видео. Красивое море. Let's practice. I'm saying a noun, and you are adding the adjective красивый. Цветок. Красивый цветок. Картина. Красивая картина. Маркер. Красивый маркер. Дерево. Красивое дерево. Кошка. Красивая кошка. That's it. That's all. You should just bear in mind the gender of the noun following the adjective, and you will never ever make the same mistake again. Большое спасибо, что посмотрели это видео. For watching this video. Увидимся. See you. Пока.